Math Curse by DuPaix. This is the swim team curse. One day I was heading to swim team practice in my red Jeep. Then, all of a sudden, I started thinking about math. Uh-oh, I have a math curse. As we drove to swim practice, I couldn't stop thinking about math. When I jumped in the pool, a math problem came to mind. How many strokes should I do before I take another breath? I asked myself while I was doing freestyle. So, if I took 7 strokes before I took a breath, how many strokes should I do before I take another breath to equal 15 strokes? Well, 15 minus 7 equals 8 strokes. Then, while I was doing backstroke, 3 questions came to mind. How many strokes do I take before I do my flip turn while doing backstroke? How many hours is swim practice? How many push-ups am I going to do? I was so troubled, I couldn't even think. So, I decided to answer all 3 questions, question by question. So, question 1 is, how many strokes do I take before I do my flip turn while doing a backstroke if I'm required to do 5 strokes? And I've already done 3. So, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Question 2 is, how many hours is swim practice if it started at 2 p.m. and ends at 5:30 p.m.? Well, 2 to 3 is 1 hour, 3 to 4 is 2 hours, 4 to 5 is 3 hours, plus 30 minutes, which equals 3 hours and 30 minutes. So, question 3 is, how many more push-ups am I going to do if my teacher requires me to do 50 and I've done 37? So, 50 minus 37 equals 13 push-ups. Yay, I solved the math curse!